Go over is a phrasal verb that has several different meanings depending on context. Let's look at 3 ways in which go over is used when speaking English. Now, the first way that we use go over is when we want go over to mean to review or examine something carefully. For example, we could say, let's go over your essay before you submit it. What we mean here is let's review it for mistakes or improvements. The second way that we use go over is when go over is used to mean to repeat or to explain something. For example, we could say, the teacher went over the lesson again for those who didn't understand it. What we're saying here is that she explained the lesson again. The third way that we use go over is when we use go over to mean to be received in a particular way. For example, we could say, his joke didn't go over well with the audience. What we're saying here is that the audience didn't like the joke. Now that you know the 3 ways to use go over in English, make sure to take a look at my playlist for phrasal verbs. I have included the link in the description below. Check it out.